Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to be replacing the two front tires and wheels on my Craftsman 42-inch zero turn. And what you're going to have to do is, I jacked my tractor up so my tires spin free, but you can prop it up on a block or whatever you feel fit. You got to hold this side, the bolt, the axle bolt, and take that side off. And I believe they're 3/4. Yeah, 3/4 inch. Back over here. Okay, 3/4. Okay, don't have to worry about giving it a flat. These are flat free, not for highway use, and my size is 11 by 6 by 5-inch rim. Put it back in there and slide the axle through. Just like that. Tighten it up. Well, that's it, guys. Both sides are done now. Did the same thing over there. Just going to grease them up from your zero turn. 11 by 6 by 5. What the old ones were. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Mike's Mods, brutal.